XCP CO2 powered pistol. It's pretty cool. I've shot it a few times, not a lot. CO2 cartridge goes in right there, as you can see, and a twist cap pin needle right there. Close this. Load the clip. Turn the safety off, and we'll get to shooting. Shooting at that Mountain Dew can out there by the burn pit. It's about, I don't know, 15 yards away. And yeah, we'll get into it and see what this thing can do. Put the magazine in now. Magazine's in. Safety's off. Shoot up this thing. That's all there is in it. It's a pretty accurate pistol, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I hit a lot of shots there with it. Very light, compact. I don't know, man. I like it. It's the XCP UX edition. Yes, I'm barefoot, don't ask. Just making a real quick, small video of this pistol. Huh. Dented it and put a lot of holes in it pretty quick. Yeah, it's a pretty cool video, I guess. I really like the pistol myself. It's pretty accurate. It just, the sights were a little bit to the right, so I had to aim a little bit to the left of the target. But other than that, shooting Daisy BBs, .77, .177, my bad, out of it. And yeah, pretty good pistol if you ask me. Safety's right here. It's just a switch. Red's fire. That's not. It's got glow iron sights. Pretty cool. Alright, so I just shot it. I emptied it so I can show you guys how to take the CO2 out. So you want to open this cap right here where the CO2 is. There's going to be a little twist thing right here, and you just want to twist left, like loosening something. All the CO2 out. There's your Crossman thing. You just chuck this way out of here, up into the train tracks. Yeah, check your seals, make sure they're not all messed up. Put a new CO2 card in it, and she's ready to fire.